Hi guys, so today I'm sharing with you this great product by the brand name Dumoyi. What is it? It is a weighted hula hoop, an extension and upgraded version of the normal hula hoop. So guys, if you are someone who struggles with taking out time for your workouts, you don't have time for like longer workouts, you can't hit or you don't like to hit the gym for whatever reason, you like to work out whenever you get time, quickly sneak out like maybe like 10-15 minutes, or you just like more fun way of working out. So guys, what you receive is this thing, also this additional thing that you can attach, and the weight that hangs. So guys, first things first, you're gonna pick up this part, and this side of it we'll put inside the hula hoop. So this will go like this, right? I'm just gonna put it like this. Guys, next step, I need to plug this thing in. So you can see these two parts here, so these will fit into the two sockets here. And guys, weighted hula hoop is one of the best ways, to work out your core, abdomen, which is also like the problem area for most of us, and also can be done at the comfort of your home. Also guys, I think it makes a great gift, for people who like fitness, enjoy fitness, or are trying to get fitter. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.